Okay, guys, I had to get rid of Guinness. The first day I laid eyes on him was March 11th. It's March 11th, 2019. He was from December 11th, 2018. He helped me a lot on my depression, and he kept me happy. But nobody liked him, so I had to get rid of him. I just hope I can get another dog soon. I fell in love with that dog as soon as I met him. Now he's gonna... And now his life is gonna be messed up because I'm not in it no more. I saved him from abuse. I helped him through everything. And now since he's not in my life no more, I don't know what to do. But I'm just gonna stay positive. I'm just gonna stay positive and just hope somebody needs him more than I did. I just hope somebody will take care of him like I did. Made him happy, made him be there for him. I trained him how to sit, everything. I just hope somebody can take care of him like I did, and hopefully he finds somebody better than me. Because nobody wanted him, and I didn't really have the place for him with two gigantic pit bulls. So let's just hope that he finds somewhere else better than he was with me. Even though I needed him and he needed me a lot. I helped him a lot. I made sure he was happy, everything. So I just hope that he finds somewhere better than. So I just hope that this is for the best of him, and for his future adoption, for the family that's gonna adopt him next, and hopefully they take care of him and that they need him more than he needed me. So